Throttle position sensor low voltage fix. Warning symptoms of TPS low voltage. Poor acceleration/sluggish response. Stalling at idle. Transmission shifting issues, in automatic cars. Check engine light. A throttle position sensor, TPS, low voltage issue usually shows up as a check engine light, CL, with a code like PO122, TPS, circuit low input. It means the ECU is getting a weaker signal than expected from the TPS. Step-by-step fix for TPS low voltage. 1. Check for trouble codes. Use an OBD2 scanner to confirm the exact code, commonly P0122, P0222, or similar. 2. Inspect the TPS connector and wiring. Look for loose, corroded, or damaged wires. Make sure the connector is firmly seated. Clean the connector with electrical contact cleaner if dirty or oxidized. 3. Test the TPS voltage with a multimeter. Backprobe the signal wire, usually middle wire. With ignition on, engine off, TPS should read 0.5 V at closed throttle and 4.5 V at wide open throttle, WOT. If voltage is stuck very low, e.g., 0.1 V or less, wiring fault, bad ground, or failed sensor. 4. Check the ground and 5 V reference. The TPS usually has 3 wires. 5 V reference from ECU. Ground. Signal wire. Verify the 5 V reference supply from ECU is present. Verify a good ground, should show continuity to chassis ground. If no 5 V supply, issue may be ECU side or a short in wiring. 5. Adjust or recalibrate the TPS, if adjustable. Some TPS units are adjustable, rotate slightly on throttle body. Adjust until closed throttle reads 0.5 V. 6. Replace the TPS. If wiring and ECU voltage are good but TPS signal is still low, the sensor is faulty. Replace with an OEM quality TPS, cheap sensors often fail quickly. 7. ECU reset/relearn. After replacing or adjusting, clear codes with a scanner. Some cars need an idle relearn procedure, turn ignition on for a few seconds, then off, then start engine and let idle. Thanks for watching my video.